Step into the 2019 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 5,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, lane departure warning, and remote keyless entry. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.